So, can't really film out there, so I got to stand right here for a second. But guys, what is going on? Thanks for tuning in to this video. We have a, not a surprise, but something that's really, really big, but kind of small. You'll see why I have this now in my next hunting video. Which, let's get this video to like, maybe like 100 likes or something, 200 likes. And I should be uploading that video relatively soon, probably Friday, Saturday, somewhere by the end of the week. Some final touches. But you'll see in that video a huge problem that I have that is absolutely absurd, that shouldn't be happening. And the new fix is, well, you're just gonna have to find out. I mean, we got a 20-minute drive in the rain. Let's see how this goes. Maybe we'll pass by a wreck or something. I don't know. But guys, let me grab my keys real quick. I have not drove the truck, touched the truck, or started the truck in 2 weeks. That's the first time the truck has come on in 2 weeks. Woo! About to hop up in it. Let's go. Just like that, we are in the truck, guys. We got to let this thing warm up before we get anywhere. But as you can tell, 17,928 miles right now. For anybody who is wanting to purchase the truck is for sale. So that's how many miles it has. Look at the water that just came through. It's literally raining so hard. Quick merch plug, guys. First link in the description. Brandon Bills makes some awesome hats, guys. Chevy off-roading, leather patch, trucker hats. GG's, guys. First link in the description. Go ahead and pick you a few of them up. Start the new year off right. We got black on black, gray and black, and camouflage. And just like that, guys, package is secured. We're about to head home. I'm gonna show y'all what's inside of this box. It's really special, it's awesome, and y'all gonna like it. So guys, the package we got today is this. It is the new Retay, I don't know how to say that, M-A-S-A-I, Masai Mara. I don't know, I'm just gonna call it the Retay shotgun. Got the Retay in today. My first thing off the bat is the case is actually incredible compared to a lot of other guns that I've had. This thing is pretty sweet. The hinges in the case are actually metal instead of just plastic that clips together. But this is the shotgun. I'm going to break everything out of here and piece it together. So guys, I have the gun assembled now, and I just wanted to show the detail that went into placing these little rubber pieces on parts of the gun to make sure that they are okay and safe during travel and they don't break. So it's good detail. But it comes with some oil, a choke tube remover putter inner, a snap cap, which is pretty cool, so a fake shotgun shell. That's very interesting. I haven't seen that before. I don't know which chokes these are. I'm not familiar with the little tick marks in the end. I'll familiarize myself with them. But you got 4 chokes. You have your key to the case itself. The case is lockable. You have 2 swivel sling mounts. These look like parts to extend the stock, but I do not know. And on top of this, you have this little slot up here in the top. Let me see if I can get this. There's a bunch of paperwork in here. Got your warranty information. I couldn't do that with one hand because it has all this sticky stuff in there keeping it down. That was really weird.
but it just gives you some of the information on some of the shotguns and catalogs and whatnot. If y'all just want to take a look real quick, we can go through some of this, some of the options. There we go. So we have a full, improved, modified, improved cylinder, and S. I don't know what the S is. Solid, is that what it is? I don't know. Interesting. But I got all the choke tubes, and this literally just recaps everything that I just said. Gun oil chokes, choke wrench, snap cap. Yeah, so these are shims for the stock. Got a case key, some swivels, and just all your documentation on top of the really high quality case. Like, I'm actually very impressed by the case the gun came in. Like, not even the gun itself, the case is impressing me so far. So that is really good. And then we have some of the options right here. We have the Comfort, the Graycon, Bronze Pure, Satin ST, Super Black, Mara Dark, Adventure, Gray Light, Super Sport, Mara Satin LT, Bronze Light. We got the Max, Realtree Max Camouflage, and they're actually coming out with a lot of new camouflage patterns. I do believe it's at SHOT Show. I don't know if I can even say that, but they have a lot of camo patterns coming out. You should check out their Instagram, Retay USA, Retay Arms, and give them a follow. This gun is going to be Cerakoted. I'm thinking multicam, but like an all tan, dark brown multicam, so kind of like a desert multicam, just because I want to be the only person that has that shotgun. You know, I like Optifade, I like the Max 5, I like Realtree's new Timber stuff, but I like to be unique. If you can't tell by my truck, by everything I do to that, just everything I do in general. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have Chris at Triarch Systems Cerakote this a desert slash just all tannish multicam, but I don't know. And then eventually, whenever I do a snow goose gun, I'm gonna do a white multicam. Nobody steal my idea or I'm gonna be pissed. I want y'all to see something. Here's the safety, right? Also, I love how large the safety is. You can feel it very easily. When you have gloves on, when it's cold, that's really a big thing, is being able to feel your safety, because you don't wanna be that guy who leaves your gun loaded and off safety, pointing at everybody, whether you're picking up the decoys or you're retrieving birds. You do not want to be that guy. You always want your gun on safe no matter what, unless you're pulling up to shoot birds. Safety tip right there. Always have your gun on safety, guys, for real. But I don't know if y'all will be able to see this, but there's a little button right there underneath where the safety is. So you do literally just press this button and the trigger assembly comes out. And that's all you have to do. That's literally all you have to do for the trigger assembly. And then your typical shotgun stuff, you just twist this off, take the barrel off. You get access to everything in here. Your trigger assembly, which is the big thing, you really want to keep this clean. And something that I've seen is if something does break, you get a 5-year warranty with this gun, by the way. If something does break and you can narrow it down to the trigger, all you have to do is send your trigger off. You don't have to send your whole gun. You don't have to do any FFL stuff or anything like that. And then to put this back in, you have your release right here. You just press the release and it just slides back in and you're good to go. That's literally how easy that is. That right there sold this gun to me more than anything, because it is so easy to take this gun apart and put it back together. And whenever you're hunting dirty fields, whenever you drop your guns in the water, whenever you do all this stuff, you need to be able to clean your gun quick, fast, and efficiently. And just like that, guys, we're back in there. Oh, that is so sick. So another thing is, I forgot the name of it, but it's like Posi Lock, or I don't know. I forgot the name. I'm sorry. Retay, if you watch this, I'm sorry. But With the Inertia Plus, that's what it is. It's called the Inertia Plus system. With the Inertia shotguns, right? There's been this problem with the action not seating all the way, so it could stop and it doesn't finish off, right? So no matter how far back you let this go, whether the slightest little bit, look at this. Like it wants to keep going. There's still pressure. This gun is always going to close. It's always going to be in. It's literally always going to be in battery, no matter what. This gun is always going to close because of the Inertia Plus system, no matter how light of a movement you use, which is huge, guys. Listen, I'm going to be posting a goose hunting video where I probably didn't shoot another 10 snow geese because my gun went click. It would go shoot, I would shoot once, and it would go click because the shells weren't ejecting. I was just having so many problems with my Stoeger M3000. I do not recommend that gun to anybody. It was awful, guys. I'll post that video. I will link it to the top of this video. Eventually, when that one is posted, I'm gonna have to go back because this video is going up before that one. I still have to edit the footage. I have like 6 hours worth of video to look through. But part of it is how terrible their inertia system is in that gun, because the gun itself doesn't, like the springs, like listen to this. You hear that? If I were to do that with the Stoeger gun, I could probably cut the speed of this in half and it's probably still faster than the Stoeger gun, if that makes sense. The speed of this closing on top of the Inertia Plus system, I already know this gun is going to perform way better than mine. Who wants to buy a Stoeger M3000? Because one just got on the market. But I don't know, guys. This gun, it feels really good. It looks really good. This will be on there for now. That'll be taken off whenever we Cerakote it. So I might slap another one back on there. I don't know. That's a really good branding move by Retay. Retay, I like this. No matter what, if people have this on their shotgun and you see this gun, you know what it is, right? So this is a really good move. I like that. You're onto something there. Like I said, the safety is really nice. God, dude, this gun feels really good. Another thing is, besides the stock and the foregrip, everything in this is metal, believe it or not. Like even down to the cap up here. Here, I'll show y'all this too. This is pretty sweet. No! So this is the tube cap looking mabobber, right? This is a billet aluminum, right? So all y'all truck guys out there, billet squad. We took this piece off, right? The little cap. So this is really interesting. The plug for the shotgun goes inside of the threading right here, right? You know, most plugs you just like toss in there where the spring is and whatnot. This plug, I don't know, like this is smart. I don't know what other shotguns do this, guys. If Berettas do it or Benelli's or anything like that, but this is the first time I've seen it, so it's really cool in my opinion. I don't know. That's pretty cool. It's like a little trombone slide looking thing. I'll go ahead and just piece this back together. But guys, this is the Retay Masai Mara. So far, I really like this thing. I think this thing weighs in under 7 pounds. Like I said, this is all black. Y'all saw all the accessories. Y'all saw how easy it is to disassemble this gun and then reassemble it. If I can find the button. Like it's literally that easy, guys. Retay arms. This is the Masai Mara. Black or dark, one of the two. This thing's a beast. I really like this button too. That's nice. I'm excited, guys. Y'all get ready for some epic hunting content with this. Gonna go dove hunting here in the next week or so, the late dove season just opened up. So we're gonna go pop some 2 3/4 inch shells out of this. Hopefully we can get this on some ducks and some geese before the season's over, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this. I'm really gonna be trying to post more content here in the future, right? I'm not talking like daily vlog, but I mean like content like daily or every other day, just to try it out, see how the channel, see how my audience likes it. But oh yeah, man. That's nice. Inertia Plus system, Retay arms, Masai Mara. Guys, check them out. Retay USA, Retay Arms on Instagram. They have about 10,000 followers. They're a new company. This shotgun just became available like last year in the United States. So this is new. You know, some guys that have it, Campus Waterfowl, Kendall Jones, Bobby Guy Films, some people out there that have this gun that y'all might know about. But if y'all like this shotgun, guys, give them a follow. Leave this video a thumbs up. Hopefully this video isn't demonetized just because I'm talking about a shotgun, even though the video is probably only gonna make like $1 or something like that. It's just something you don't wanna see. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned. Retay USA. I'm out.